Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a low mileage 2012 Chevy Impala LTZ, stock number Z8522B. Only 77,000 miles on this local trade. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report, silverized metallic in color. The Impala is in the large car class, seats 5, leather interior. Literally low miles, but very clean. Spacious trunk, the wide opening makes it easy to get things in and out. This LTZ has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, Bose sound system, power driver's seat, power moonroof, large, easy to read gauges, again only 77,000 miles, tilt wheel, cruise control, steering wheel mounted audio controls, easy to operate radio and CD player. It's also satellite radio capable, auxiliary input, allows you to connect mobile media devices, dual zone temperature control with heated front seats, 6-speed automatic transmission, lots of storage space in the armrest, and a spacious glove box with the owner's manual inside. Overhead, auto dimming mirror, home link transmitter for garage door opener, and moonroof control. Under the hood, this Impala has a 3.6 liter V6, 300 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. Nice balance of power and fuel economy, along with those 300 horses, EPA average of 18 miles to the gallon, and the city average of 30 on the highway. New brakes and approximately 50% of the tire tread left. For more information on this Impala, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.